my name is Saswat. Currently, I'm studying in class 9 at DAV Medical Public School. So, today I will be saying about a very interesting proverb which is wisdom finds truth. So, let's start. Siddharth Gautam lived during the 5th century BC. He was born into a wealthy family as a prince in present day Nepal. Although he had an easy life, Gautam has moved by the suffering in the world. He decided to give up his lavish lifestyle in search of truth. After 6 years of searching, Gautam found enlightenment while meditating under Bodhi tree. He later founded the Buddhism and came to be known as the Buddha. The enlightenment achieved by Buddha was the ultimate truth. The truth is the beliefs, thoughts, or the propositions that are said to agree with the facts. Truth is the aim to believe. People need to truth in order to thrive. Dedicated pursuit of truth emanates from wisdom. Wisdom is the quality of having experience, knowledge, and good judgment, the quality of being wise. If truth is the state of being true to someone or something, then wisdom is an element of personal character that enables one to distinguish the wise from the unwise. The wisdom enables us to transcend from the path of uncertainty and shallowness to the path of truthfulness. Wisdom is one of the highest form of human characteristic. A collection of experiences and virtues shapes our wisdom. A number of social reformers acquired wisdom through their knowledge, experience, understanding, and common sense. It was wisdom which not only enlightened some of the greatest minds in Indian history, but also let them propagate the truth to shape a modern society free from social evils. Raja Ram Mohan Roy recognized the inhuman practices as sati pratha, caste system, and religious superstition and worked hard so as to get rid of social evils. Vivekananda not only initiated the social reform but he continuously fought for the education of social and religious evils. Jyotiba fully devoted his whole life to emancipation of weaker and depressed section of society. In addition to this, there were several luminaries like Vinoba Bhave, Baba Amte, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, among many others who not only sought the truth for themselves but also propagated it to others for the upliftment of the society. Through their wisdom, they not only found the truth but also propagated it so that it can be reality. The present day society is also going through various changes. The protest in Hong Kong against the authoritarian regime, environment issues being raised by Greta Thunberg and others, demand for LGBTQ right, yellow vest protest in Paris, and global climate strike. These are all root realization of truth. The humanity depends on the wise and their quest for the truth. They motivate others to realize the truth and to act. Wisdom is not only associated with the changing reality of society or nation, rather, it can be attributed with the potential arguments one's own ability. When we realize the truth about ourselves, it is bound to change the course of our life. All the greatest human beings also have undergone some kind of realization about the truth of their wisdom. Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Abraham Lincoln, Martin Luther King Jr., and are some of the names who quest for the truth changed the history of the world. There is an old Chinese proverb: there are three kinds of truth: my truth, your truth, and the truth. Being wise is not the same as being intelligent. Intelligence is more having the skills and masteries of the subject. That this is why an intelligent person can mold the fact and manufacture a new truth. It is due to the manufactured truth some of the heinous crimes of the past, like the Jallianwala Bagh and the American Civil War, the Holocaust took place. It is therefore due to manufactured truth the humanity present day also continues to suffer. The persecutions of the Rohingyas in Myanmar, the Uyghur Muslims and in China, the rising level of crimes against Dalits and minorities in India can be attributed to the manufactured truth which is being represented as a new reality. However, it is wisdom which allows us to filter the real truth from the manufactured truth. The expression of target over Jallianwala Bagh by the United Kingdom of PM can be regarded as the rediscovery of truth in this light. True wisdom can only attain through experience life. True wisdom teaches us to embrace life through acceptance, self observation, and with full consciousness. With practice, wisdom takes us above instincts. It does not let us to be reduced to mere puppets in hand of our instant gratification. Wisdom gives us our mind the power to differentiate between the justified and unjustified, thus enabling us to filter misinformation and ultimately seize the truth. That's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.